Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Hotjar heat maps for optimizing product pages, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Hotjar heat maps for optimizing your product pages, start by creating a Hotjar account at hotjar.com. Once you have registered, log into your account and navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the option to add a new site and click on it. Enter your website URL and provide any additional information Hotjar requests. After you've added your site, you'll receive a tracking code via email. Copy the tracking code provided in the email. Now, you'll need to insert this tracking code into the header section of your website. If you use a website builder, there should be an option to add custom code in the settings. For WordPress, you can use a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers to accomplish this. Once you have inserted the code, save your changes and publish your website. Next, return to your Hotjar dashboard and navigate to the Heatmaps section. Click on Create Heatmap to start setting up your heat map for the product pages. You will be prompted to name your heat map. Choose a name that reflects the specific product page or category you want to analyze. After naming your heat map, specify the URL of the product page you want to track. Select if you want to capture clicks, movements, or scroll behavior in the heat map. You can also set a target audience for your heat map, like visitors from specific countries or device types. Once you've completed all settings, click on Create Heatmap to finalize it. Hotjar will now begin tracking user interactions on the specified product page. It may take some time for data to populate your heat map, so be patient. Once the data is collected, return to your Heatmaps dashboard. Click on your newly created heat map to view user interactions visually. Analyze the heat map to understand how visitors are interacting with your product page. Look for patterns in clicks, movements, and scroll behaviors to find areas for optimization. Use these insights to make data-driven changes to your product page. Regularly update and monitor your heat maps to continually improve user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.